To delete rows in Excel, start by selecting the row or rows you want to remove. On the left side of your spreadsheet, you'll see the row numbers, the gray numbered labels running down the left edge. Click directly on the row number for the row you want to delete. If you want to delete row 5, click on the number 5. The entire row will highlight with a gray or blue background showing it's selected. If you need to delete multiple consecutive rows, click the first row number, then hold Shift and click the last row number. So if you want to delete rows 3 through 7, click on 3, hold Shift, then click on 7. Both rows and everything in between will be selected. If the rows aren't next to each other, like row 2, row 5, and row 9, hold Control while clicking each row number individually. On Mac, use Command instead. Each row you click will add to your selection. Once your row or rows are selected, right-click directly on one of the highlighted row numbers. A context menu will appear at your cursor with several options, including Insert, Delete, Copy, and others. From that context menu, click Delete. It's usually near the top of the list. The selected rows will disappear instantly, and all rows below will shift upward to fill the gap. There's no confirmation dialog, the deletion happens immediately. If you accidentally delete the wrong row, press Ctrl+Z right away to undo it. On Mac, press Command-Z. The row will come straight back. After deleting rows, check any formulas in your spreadsheet. If those formulas reference cells in the deleted rows, they might now show errors or point to different cells than intended. Save your workbook once you're satisfied with the changes.